Welcome, here I've got OnePlus 8T and I'm gonna show you how to manage the camera grid lines at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. From here let's go to the right corner to this button. By tapping on this we get access to more options we can manage. Now let's pick this settings, so we can open the advanced camera settings. From here let's slide a little bit down to the general settings, and at the third position in this category we have the grid option. So when we tap on this we can manage the camera grid lines. We can pick free and free grid lines, so let's tap on this and let's go back to the camera to see them. And as you can see, it shows us these lines. This is useful when we want to use the rule of third in photography, for example, or making experiments. Now let's go back to the settings in the right corner, and this settings, let's slide again to the general and pick the grid lines 4 and 4. So let's go back again to see them, and as you can see, this is how they looks like. Of course, remember that these lines are not visible at the real picture, so when I take a photo and when I go here to the right corner to the gallery, we can't see them. So the grid lines are only to help us taking better photos. And we can also go back to the settings in the right corner and to this once again, slide again to the general, pick the grid. Here we have also the golden ratio grid lines, so let's see them in the camera. And this is how they looks like. And of course, when we don't need this, we can easily once again go back to the settings, pick the grid and turn them off, so pick the none here, and now they have gone. This is how it works. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.